Yes, but we're going.
Basically,
the anxiety level is crazy. I mean, we were just going to bed the other night when our neighbor told us of the first fire. And so your anxiety goes from 0 to 100 and you just start moving fast. But, you know, in a way, it also kind of makes you realize how ill-prepared we are. So it makes you think and what's priorities and if anything good comes out of it is that you're better prepared, or you should be getting. I think we get very comfortable in our day-to-day life.
Trucks and their vehicles in
From breaking news to the day's biggest controversies, shedding light on the world's top headlines, detailed analysis on the stories that matter the most to you. Catch it all on Spotlight at 6 p.m. India time and 12:30 GMT, only on First Post.